Hello everyone and welcome to the poster presentation of the work called Driving a Side Task, Exploring Intuitive Input Modalities for Multitasking in Automated Vehicles. My name is Henrik Detjen and my co-authors are Stefan Geisser and Stefan Schneegatz. So when we talk of multitasking in automated vehicles, multitasking at least contains two tasks. And the first task, which will be the main task in the future, is the non-driving related activity. So, for example, using the smartphone or taking a nap. And the future side task will be the driving related activity. So we look especially at maneuver-based intervention in this work. When we want to design maneuver-based interventions, traditional car controls might not be the best options because they were not built for the maneuver-based but for the operational level. So we have to find alternatives which might be more comfortable, and suitable candidates are touch interaction or speech interaction or gesture-based interaction interfaces, or even a mixture of all. In an initial study, we were interested in the interplay between the non-driving related activity and the driving related control interventions. And we therefore conducted a driving simulator experiment with 20 participants, and participants drove a test track 5 times, and each time they were involved in another non-driving related activity. So doing nothing, eating, using the smartphone, having a conversation, or listening to music. And during this non-driving related activity, they would intervene freely in the driving process using either voice, touch, or middle gestures. And we thereby observed their choices of interaction modalities, and after each time, they also filled out the Nasatelix task load questionnaire. So as a quick insight in our results and the conclusions, we first state that maneuver-based interventions offer a comfortable and additional possibility to control an automated vehicle in the future. And in our study, we saw with this control mechanism that users tended to avoid conflicts with an already occupied modality. So for example, if voice interaction became less frequent while listening to music. And in contrast, when we look at the multitasking workload, when the multitasking workload is comparably high, users tend to stick to a known interaction style. So for example, using touch for intervention while being at the smartphone. And as an overall conclusion, non-driving related activities lead to different interaction modality choices during interaction in the car, multitasking interaction in the car. So this would require the design of redundant and multimodal maneuver control interfaces for future automated vehicles. So thank you for your attention. See all the details on the paper and feel free to contact me. Bye.